Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV14. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV14 sounds like something stuck inside, it can be quite concerning. This noise typically indicates that debris has become lodged within the motor or the airflow path. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further damage or even a complete failure of the unit, resulting in costly repairs down the line. To get started on this repair, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement motor for the Dyson SV14, and a pair of tweezers to help with any small debris. First, ensure your vacuum is unplugged for safety. Begin by removing the dustbin from the vacuum. There will be a release button, which you can press to detach it from the main body. Next, locate the screws that secure the outer casing. These are typically found on the back and sides of the unit. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, setting them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pry apart the casing using your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage any clips or connectors. With the casing off, you should be able to see the motor compartment. Inspect the area for any visible blockages or debris. If you spot anything, carefully use your tweezers to extract it. The motor itself may also need to be removed for a deeper inspection. To do this, disconnect any attached cables, noting where each one connects. Then, unscrew the motor from its housing, again using your Phillips screwdriver. When you're ready to replace it, simply reverse the process. Place the new motor in position, secure it with screws, and reconnect the cables as they were. Remember to check that everything is firmly in place before reassembling the casing. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is reassembled, plug the vacuum back in and test it out. Listen for any unusual sounds, and ensure that it's operating smoothly. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to regularly clean the dustbin and check for blockages in the hose and filters. Regular maintenance can significantly extend the life of your Dyson SV14 and keep it functioning at its best. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.